Good morning everyone, Ken here from Ultralight, and this morning I'm going to do a short video on a product we have called a BA-SPUD. So this part mainly is used in the cinema industry, but it could be used for a lot of other things too. So anyways, basically on this part, it's got a hole with a knob here, and it fits a 5/8 baby pin. So you can slide that baby pin right onto that, tighten that down, and whatever this baby pin is mounted to, then you can attach a ball to it and make for a quick getaway too if you want. Also, like on this stand, you can take this, mount it down onto that stand, tighten it down, and you could put a ball mount with a, that way you have a ball mount and you could put a clamp on there for something. So anyways, it's mainly in the cine industry, or it could be a professional photographer or something like that, because this is one of the stands we're using for the lighting right now for the videos. So it works out perfect. Anyways, happy filming and have a great day.